So our rabbit hutch did pretty good. And then we found out that both of our female Great Pyrenees are pregnant. They're sitting back there in some hay. So we got more, two more of these dog kennels. Set them up. So each dog has 20 by 10 space, and then got a bunch of hay bales and loose hay in the back for them to hang out in. And they really like it back there. The shipping container's heated, so that metal's a little warm, radiates off a little warm. Had to put Bad Dog Merlin there because he's been playing with the baby goats. I got to figure out something for him too. And I don't want to put another kennel because I have just enough space on this end to park the tractor under the barn, which is the whole reason I built the barn. But if you know anybody that wants Great Pyr, Anatolian Shepherd mixed livestock guardian dogs, let me know, because I have 2 pregnant females, and poor Merle over there is quite happy to be a daddy, I guess. But everything's going pretty good.